Okay, so I'm going to give you an idea of electric field exposure with some common setup around a workspace right now. So I've got my computer plugged in with an ungrounded cord. I've got my printer plugged in, and they're connected with a power strip underneath my desk. So these are all standard, pretty standard setups and using just regular cords. So let's see what type of electric field exposure we have in this setup. Now, this is measuring in volts per meter. We're looking to stay below 1.5 volts per meter. Right now, we are at 34.3. So much above that 1.5. Now I'll make some adjustments and we'll see what we can bring that down to. Okay, so I've made some changes around my workplace here. And what I've done is switched my cord for my computer to a grounded version. And I've also switched the power strip to the shielded version from ElectroHealth. On top of that, I've also unplugged my printer since I don't need to always be using it. I'll show you some other options for instead of unplugging it, some other options in some lessons coming up. But for now, I've unplugged that, switched my power cord, and switched the power bar to a shielded version as well. So now let's see what that did to our electric field exposure. We were in the 30s before, and now what that's brought us down to is 0.9. So well below that 1.5 volts per meter that we're looking to stay under.